I got an opportunity to express my views on foundational literacy and numeracy, an urgent and necessary prerequisite to learning.
The ability to read, write, and perform on operations with numbers are the most essential features for all future schooling. However, the latest survey indicates that our learning crisis for about 5 crores of students, which is a big challenge on foundational literacy and numeracy for all. The delay in action over the next few years will definitely lose 10 crores or more students from the learning system to illiteracy. Attaining foundational literacy and numeracy for all children must receive an urgent national attention with immediate measures to achieve the clear goals up to grade 3. The very highest priority of the educational system will be to achieve universal foundational literacy and numeracy in primary school and beyond by 2025. Teacher vacancy may be filled up as soon as possible to avoid large pupil to teacher ratios with top priorities to local teachers and female teachers. At least the pupil-teacher ratio of under 30:1 should be ensured along with socio-economically disadvantaged areas under 25:1. In the primary curriculum side, it will be extremely vital to introduce an increased focus on foundational literacy and numeracy on reading, writing, speaking, counting, arithmetic and mathematical thinking. Teacher education and the early grade school curriculum will be redesigned to have a renewed emphasis on foundational literacy and numeracy. A national repository of high quality resources on foundational literacy and numeracy will be made available on the National Teachers Portal. Technologically, interventions to serve as aids to teachers may be piloted by Digital Library along with public and school libraries expanded to build a culture of reading and communication. Due to the scale of the current learning crisis, all viable methods will be explored to support teachers in this all-important mission. Studies around the world show one-on-one peer tutoring to be extremely effective for learning, not just for the learner, but also for the tutor by taking due care of safety aspects. If every literate member of the community could commit to teach one student how to read, then it would change the country's landscape and can achieve the mission in due time. With the current time, the lack of universal access to ECCE, a large proportion of children fall behind within the first few weeks of grade 1. This can be minimized to zero by adopting playway methods as per the interest of the children. Children are unable to learn optimally when they are undernourished or unwell. Nutrition and health well-being of children will be addressed through healthy meals and the introduction of well-trained social workers, counselors, and community involvement into the schooling system. All children shall undergo regular health checkups organized by the schools with issue of health cards. Research shows that the hours of the morning after a nutritious breakfast can be more productive for the study of subjects that are cognitively more demanding. Thank you. Jai Hind.